Hi there everyone. Today let's learn to draw a cute little cat. So let's start by drawing two circles side by side, touching each other. Now draw two dots. Now we have drawn the cat's two eyes. Next, let's draw its nose. Just a little dot. Next, we're going to draw a big circle for the cat's face. Okay. Now I'm drawing a curved line here and two little ears. Now we have completed the cat's face. Next I'm going to draw a square shape. It's not a perfect square, somewhat a square shape like this for the cat's body and its tail. These are the cat's hands. Draw two lines like this and another two lines. We have drawn the cat's two hands. Next we'll draw a little circle here. It is a bell tied to its neck, just to make it look more cute. Next I'm drawing few heart shapes. You can draw hearts of any sizes. That's it. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.